Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you what useful things you can make from an old iron. First, we need to take it apart. For our DIY project, we only need the Soleplate with the heating element. We need to make 2 through holes in the Soleplate. We also need some kind of casing. I took one from a burnt out receiver. We mark it using the Soleplate as a template and then make the holes. The holes need to be drilled out a bit for countersunk bolts. Next, screw the Soleplate to the lid, to be continued. On the sides of the lid, you need to make holes with a 4mm drill bit. Now, using rivets, you need to attach 2 angle brackets. To be continued. I made a panel for our future device out of a piece of insulating laminate, which also needs to be attached using rivets. We secured the 10-ohm variable resistor. We also insert the switch. Now we need to solder wires to all the terminals. To be continued. Wires nearest the heating element must be protected with a fiberglass tube. Then we wrap the wires with Kapton tape and carefully arrange everything. Remove the front panel from the second part of the case. We won't need it anymore. Off camera, I closed off the rear wall with a piece of laminate. Now take the voltage regulation board and, after placing a piece of laminate underneath, screw it to the case. We also screw the laminate to the case, but with an insulating pad in between. Now take the 2 parts of the case and connect everything according to the diagram you see on the screen. After that, you can assemble the device and start testing. By slightly turning the variable resistor knob, use a multimeter to determine how many degrees the working part of the device heats up. After some time, we see that the scale has heated up to 50 degrees. In this simple way, I made an approximate temperature scale. This is the homemade device we ended up with. This device is needed to preheat circuit boards before soldering microchips. Those who repair electronics, of course, immediately understood what this is. It will also be useful for technicians who repair mobile phones. With this device, it's very easy to separate screens. Write in the comments how else this invention can be improved. If you liked the video, give it a like and share it with your friends. Thank you all for watching and goodbye.